What's up guys, Brimage here, welcome to my channel. Okay, so I just wanted to open up the vlog, but right now I'm running really late. I have a gym class session thing in literally like a couple minutes, so I need to be out the door. I wanted to say good morning, happy Saturday or whatever day you're watching this, and we will catch up more once I'm back. Okay. Hey guys, ooh, let me sit good. Okay, let's bring this up. Hey y'all, I am back home. Oh my god, let me tell you, I don't know why I'm always late to the gym. Like, I can just never be early, and it's not even far from me, but like I'm always reaching there in the nick of time. Recently I started doing Orange Theory. I'm not sure if you consider that a gym or a fitness studio, but that's what I've been going to in Charlotte, and I have been liking it. It's definitely been holding me accountable, because that's my biggest problem with the gym. I just cannot go. Like, I will go like once or twice a week, and then the third day I'm like stressing. But with Orange Theory, since like a class, and like an instructor, and also I heard that if you do like last minute, let me fix this, hold on. Okay, if you do like last minute cancellation, then you have to pay a fee, and I'm not trying to do that, so I guess that is incentive enough for me to show up. But yeah, and if y'all don't know what Orange Theory is, I'm here talking like, you know, everyone knows it's like a fitness studio type thing, where they focus on HIIT workouts. HIIT stands for high intensity interval training. Yeah, and I guess the theory behind Orange Theory is that you need to try and get your body into the orange zone of like the different hierarchy of colors, because you have to get yourself in the orange zone for like 12 minutes or more in the different hierarchy of colors, because once you're in the orange zone, then your body is boosted, then your metabolism is boosted, and your body is burning fat most, or something like that. I'm not sure, don't trust me on this. Like, it's something like that, but I'm not sure if that's it to the full extent. So I would suggest that y'all do your own research. If you're looking for like a HIIT training class, then Orange Theory is definitely an option. With HIIT training is basically like high intensity stuff. So like, for example, Orange Theory, we do like treadmill rows, and then like floor being like weights and, you know, stuff to strength train, and we basically incorporate all of those in each workout. But for today's workout, I did a lift class. I've never done a soul lift class at Orange Theory before, so it was different. So we didn't do any treads or rows, we just went straight to the floor and was just lifting, engaging our core and all of that. So that was different, because usually when I go, I am dying because the treadmill and the rowing and all the moving up and down there, but today was like good. Anyways, that was a long rant and somewhat free promo for Orange Theory, but I want the girls to be healthy and, like, you know, just work out and things, you understand? Anyways, so today I have quite some stuff to do, because tomorrow I'm going back to Atlanta. So I need to get ready for that. My main reason for going to Atlanta this time is because I'm going to a weekend concert. He has a concert in Atlanta on Thursday. Today is Saturday. I'm going on tomorrow, which is Sunday. He has a concert on Thursday, so that's my main purpose of going on this trip. So I'm super excited about going, but not about the drive, because I hate long drives, so that's not going to be fun. Yes, I need to pack. I need to clean up this place because I cannot leave it looking untidy. I need to get a few stuff done. I need to listen to the After Hours, not After Hours, I listened to his last album, Dawn FM, because I didn't like that one. I'm not even gonna lie. The concert, I think it's like a combination of After Hours, which was his second to last album, and the Dawn FM. I loved After Hours, but Dawn FM, I never loved that at all, to be honest. So I'm gonna have to listen. I may just listen to that on the drive down and see, give it a second chance, give it the car test, because I don't think I gave it the car test. So yeah, that has to be done. That don't have to do, whatever. Anyway, so yeah, a lot to do today. I got to pack, I got to put air in my tire, I have to eat something because I'm hungry. I don't know why I always go to the gym without eating. I haven't eaten anything from morning. It's a bad habit, don't try it at home. Yeah, but right now I think more than anything I should take a shower, and then right? That would make sense. And then get ready and go get something to eat, because I'm actually hungry. Alright y'all, so I have showered, changed my clothes, put a wig on my head. If you can't see the lace, don't say nothing to me. It don't glue down good. But okay, I'm going to go and pick up some food now, and since I'm already gonna be out, I might as well get some gas because I'm gonna need it for tomorrow and I don't want to get it in the morning. And I probably should put air in my tire, I don't know. But I ordered some food from Crav'n Caribbean. Y'all are gonna see what I'm talking about in a minute. But yeah, let's go.
Do me a favor, pick me up later. Don't worry about no paper, 'cause I got my stacked up some nice ideas. My life can get crazy. I deal with shit on a daily, but baby, I'm thinking maybe we could agree to work it out like this.
Home now, and I got home in the nick of time because it literally started raining as I was on my way back, so thank God. I was able to get gas and I was able to put some air in my tire, and oh my God, y'all, my tire, the air in my tire was so low. Like, I knew it was low, but I never knew it was that low. It was so freaking low. It was like, I think it was like at 15, because my back tire, the one to the right, I think it needs to be patched, so it leaks. I guess it slow leaks, I don't know. So the air in it was like 15. I don't know what unit of measurement they measure air tire in, but I know my tires needs to be at like a 30 to operate efficiently. So when I thought it was at 15, I was just like, oh shit. So I had to put some air in there because I felt it when I was driving. I felt like there was no air in my tire, and of course that was the tire that was giving us problems. So thank the Lord, put some air in it, put gas in my car. That means that tomorrow I should be smooth sailing on my way to Atlanta. Anyways, I got my food. It's here. It's from, let me turn the camera, I don't know how I'm doing this. It's from Crav'n Caribbean, and yes, I've already washed my hands. My sticker kind of lifted, oh no. But this is the name. It's like this Caribbean, obviously, restaurant. But the thing is, it's only opened on Saturdays and Fridays and Saturdays. They are known for their oxtail cheesesteak, but this is what I got. I think this is new. This is their jerk fried chicken wings, and I got mine the size of mac and cheese and fried plantains. Y'all, their mac and cheese is probably the best mac and cheese I've had thus far in Charlotte, and dare I say the best mac and cheese I've ever had at a Jamaican restaurant. It is so good. But this is my food. I've never tried the wings before, so I'm hoping that I like them. I can actually try one on camera, but the mac and cheese slaps. They're mainly though, oh, can you see me? They're mainly really known for their oxtail cheesesteak. That is really good. I've tried it a couple times. So good. I insert a picture of it on the screen so y'all can see what I'm talking about. But the man, I'm gonna oxtail cheesesteak, man, I like, tastes good. Tastes really good. But I'm going to try these wings. I got jerk sauce on mine. So let's see if it's busting like the oxtail cheesesteak. Oh, and they have other stuff too. Like, I think they have oxtail, curry chicken, brown stew chicken. I think they just came up with like a jerk salmon cheesesteak. This is dark, hold on. With like a jerk salmon cheesesteak. I've never tried that, but I heard it's pretty good. But just check them out. Their name is Crav'n Caribbean on Instagram. I can insert the Instagram name below. And yeah, support black businesses, okay? Especially when it comes to food, because we're ever hungry. Alright, let me try the wings. This is how the wing looks. Can y'all see? This is how the wing looks. Okay. Yep. That's so good. Alright. You know what? I'm going to sit and devour. Oh, that is so good. Oh my goodness. I'm going to sit and devour this food and then figure out my life after that. But y'all, if you're ever in the Charlotte area, definitely check out Crav'n Caribbean, okay? Remember, I told you. Tell them that Britney sent you. Even though they don't know who Britney is, tell them some Britney sent you. You understand? Okay. Okay, guys. So it's way later, and when I tell you I've been sat here doing nothing. All I've done after eating the food, I just watched a movie on Netflix, and I've just been laying in the couch, procrastinating, knowing damn well that I need to go pack. So I don't know, I may just do that later. I feel like because I have my car sorted out, the tire and the gas, I feel like everything else can wait, but I don't know. Well, and also, let me see if I can catch it somewhere so y'all can see me. I'll show y'all something. Also, y'all, look at my nail. I have on press-on nails. Do y'all see that it's cracked down the middle? Is it showing up on camera? Like, how is, I've never had press-on nails cracked down the middle before. What? And then it's cracked on this thumb as well. So I have to change. Can you see? I don't know. So I have to go and change those because that is just so weird to me. It happened a couple of days ago and it just kept getting wider. And my floss, every time I floss my teeth, it gets stuck in it and it's so annoying. Oh my god. But yeah, so I guess that's one more thing that I have to do. I have to change my nails. But at least only these, so I'm not changing the rest of them because no thank you. I have to change my nails and then I have to pack my stuff up. I think I want to stay in Atlanta for like a week. Yeah, I think I'm gonna come back. Yeah, I think I'm gonna stay for a week, so I shouldn't have much stuff, you know. Oh, and also, yeah, let me show you the new art that I got for my living room. I had all intentions of hanging this art up on the wall, like this back wall here today, because as y'all can see, it's bare as hell. But that has not happened. I don't know what's gonna happen. If it don't happen today, then clearly not gonna happen until I come back from Atlanta. But let me show y'all. It's right here. Ooh. Let me zoom in. So this is the art right here. These are 3 separate portraits. I got them from smard.art, the same place that I got the art that is in my bedroom. If y'all watch my last vlog, I believe it's the one where I was I forgot, in one of my last vlogs I had talked about the ones in my bedroom. I got those from smard.art as well, so I just went back and I got some more from my living rooms and I absolutely love them. I cannot wait to hang them up. I'm just being a little bit lazy right now, but they have been chilling there for the time being and I just love to look at them. So yeah, if y'all want some like really dope art pieces, definitely check out smard.art. It's black owned, it's a black woman owned. The girl that owns it, she lives in Canada, I believe. So yeah, check them out, guys. I will have the name across the street. It's smart with a D. It's not smart as in S-M-A-R-T, it's S-M-A-R-D.art. So check them out, guys. Check them out. She has some beautiful pieces. I wish I could get everything. Oh my god. But yo, I am such a horrible Jamaican. What the hell? How am I this far in the vlog and I have not yet said Happy Independence Day to my big bad place, Jamaica? Oh my goodness. So for those who don't know, today is Independence Day in Jamaica. August 6th, 1962, we received our independence from the British. So it is always an honor to celebrate our country. I love me some Jamaica. I bring that country everywhere with me as I open my mouth. You know I'm from somewhere and I'm not going to itch tell that I'm from Jamaica. Big up Jamaica, you know. Happy Independence Day to Jamaica. I love my little island with liquor, but with Talawa. Okay, alright, anyways, I need to start with my life. I need to start with my life, you guys. Okay, whenever I pick this camera back up, I'm going to be either doing one of 2 things. I'm going to either be fixing my nail or I'm going to either be packing. I don't know which one yet because I'm still going to idle a bit. So when I come back, we're going to do one or the other. Okay? Okay.
It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away from chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think of it today. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be
What's up,
somebody.
guys? Good morning. Apologies for last night. But I tell you, my camera battery died and I just fell asleep until I was finished just packing shit in the morning, and that is exactly what I did. So I am done packing. It is 10:36 a.m. I think I'm gonna leave around 11. I'm done packing. I actually ended up changing my suitcase to just a regular size. At first I was trying to put everything in a carry-on and that was not working. So yeah, I basically have everything packed up and ready to go. So I'm just gonna drink some tea and then be out the door. So this is where I end today's vlog. Stay tuned for the Atlanta vlog. It's coming up shortly after this, I am sure. So with all of that, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. And until next time, take care, y'all. I'll see you in Atlanta.